Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about drafting a perfect armhole. Many people have been struggling with this, so I'm going to be making a quick video on this. First of all, we draw a starting line for our armhole. After drawing the starting line, we'll take our shoulder measurement, the one we call shoulder line, or the one we call across back. Next, I'm going to be drafting my chest line. So my chest line is about 8 inches or 7 inches per se, but I went ahead to draw a straight line to indicate the chest line. Next, I drew my neckline, which is 4 inches at the width and 4 inches in length. So it's not constant. Our neckline differs from one person to another, which is optional. So I'm marking 4 inches depth and 4 inches width. I'm going to be connecting with my French curve. After I'm done connecting with my French curve, I went ahead to measure my shoulder line, which is also known as our across back. So half of my shoulder measurement is 8 inches and I've just marked there. So next thing I'm going to do is to go down by 1 inch from that point and mark the shoulder slope. This is because our shoulder is not entirely straight, so we are going to be sloping it downwards by 1 inch. So I'm done marking my shoulder slope. Next is to add half of an inch upwards in case you are drafting on your fabric directly. So I'm marking half of an inch for the joining allowance in case you are drafting on your fabric directly. Okay, so I'm done connecting half inch for the shoulder joining allowance. I'm going to be taking my half of my armhole measurement. So my armhole measurement divided by 2 is about 7.5 for me. So I'm going to be marking that just right there. Next is to connect it with my ruler. I'll be drawing a straight line to meet at the shoulder slope, the point I marked my shoulder slope. Alright. So next thing to do right now is to get the midpoint. Measure the distance from this point to the other points. Fold into 2 to get the midpoint. I'm going to be going in by 0.5 inches. I'm going to be going in by 0.5 inches, that's half of an inch, and I'll be marking it like so. I'm going to be connecting with my ruler first of all to the 0.5 inches mark I did. Now next thing to do is to complete the curve with our French curve. So I'm going to be placing my French curve like so, and I'll be drawing the lines to connect to the other end of the chest line. Okay, we are done creating our armhole curve. We are done creating our armhole curve. I'm going to be smoothing out any sharp edges. So next thing to do, our armhole is ready. I'm going to be further taking our bust point, should in case you want to go further. So that's how our armhole curve is being achieved. So this is my bust point, and that's all for the video. I'm going to be rolling this line like so. Guys, that's the end of the video. If in case you want to draft your armhole, please do well to tap the like button and hit the subscribe button as well, and tell me what you think in the comment section. Bye for now.